President had a very good call today with President Zelensky of Ukraine. It was an opportunity for President Zelensky to update President Biden on what's going on the battlefield and on the ground, and to talk to the President about Ukraine's security requirements and capabilities going forward. The President also obviously took this opportunity to inform President Zelensky that we're announcing today, I think you saw, $1 billion in additional security assistance to support Ukraine's armed forces in their brave defense of their country.
Захист, це артилерія, сучасні ракетні системи. Будемо чекати. Вдячні за цю підтримку. Вона особливо вагома передусім для нашої оборони на Донбасі.